Okay, we're going to jump straight into today's video and we're going to be looking at a site called freeskins.com, and we're going to be doing a review of the site. I'm going to show you all the different ways of which you can earn by using Freeskins, and also why I would recommend that as a good site to go and obviously earn some part-time cash on the side. Okay, so as you can see here, we're going to dive straight in, and as you can see, we've got the Freeskins website here, so freeskins.com. Now, if you click on the link, if you click on my link in the description below, this will get you 100 points bonus when you join Freeskins. Okay, so make sure you click on that, and then obviously you can, when you register and log in, then you will get 100 free points as your bonus. Now, it's fairly easy to actually go and join Freeskins. Like I say, you come to the freeskins.com and all you do is click on the register button here, and then you just put in your email address, username, password, confirm your password. And as you can see here, one of the best ways to make money online since 2020. Now, they've only been going a short while, guys, but they are a totally legit site, and they've paid out. And this is one of the things I like about Freeskins. They have paid out an awful lot of money. They are nearing the $1 million payout amount so far. And also, I'm going to show you how very quick they're one of the fastest websites where you can actually earn money and actually get paid the same day as well. So stay tuned. We're going to cover both of those once we've actually shown you how you can actually obviously get your account. So like I say, you want to get your email address, username, password, and then just by signing in, you've got to click the agree to their terms and conditions. Click on the register here. You could also sign in via Google, things like that, or Stream as well. If you've got Stream, and then you're good to go. You come through to the members area. Now, one of the things you will need to do is obviously head over to your email address inbox and then just verify your email address, because this will mean that obviously everything can be set up properly, and obviously you're going to be able to get payouts at a later date. Okay, so make sure you head over there and do that. Then you can go back and you can come into your account, and this is my account here. I've just literally done this just a few hours ago, and as you can see, guys, up here I've already got 1,300 points, and all I've literally done, I've done a few things on my account, and I've gone and taken a couple of quick surveys, and boom, we've already got 1,300 points gathered in the account. Like I say, this is one of the quickest ways you can earn money and easiest ways you can earn money, and it's the fastest way you can actually pull out. So how do you actually earn? Well, if you click on the earn button here, this will then bring up various different ways you can actually earn. So you've got feature offers here, so you've got surveys, you've got offer walls, you've also got games that you can actually go and download and actually test out as well. So there's various different ways you can actually earn from the free skins. But I would recommend, once you've got your account, obviously if you use my link, then you will get 100 points as your bonus, and the pullout amount is fairly low as well, guys. If you wanted to pull out in Bitcoin, which obviously is the option, one of the options here, you can pull out by as little as about 500 points. Okay, so it's very, very easy to be able to start pulling out straight away. Now, one of the quickest ways you can actually go and earn some points, obviously you've come to the Earn tab here, and if we scroll down and we go to Freeskins, where it says Freeskins here, and as you can see, we've got our claim, our daily bonus. So literally you can claim that. So you claim 10 coins just like that. And then you've got another 10 points and 10 coins that have gone into my balance. You can also go and follow them on Twitter. Okay. And that's a good thing to do. There's loads of followers already on Twitter. And as you can see here, this is their Twitter account. As you can see, they've got over 100,000 followers already. And this is a pretty good site to go on, because if you keep a track, they do occasionally, they do free cash, and they do actual codes that you can actually put in. And there's one here that was ages ago. This is a rebrand soon. This is the code. If you put this in at the time, this is back in a few days ago, so it was about 8 days ago, so it won't work for me now. But if you're one of the first 1,000 users to put this code in, you could then get a bonus amount of free coins. And this is where you would put that bonus code in. So you just put it in there and press claim, and that's another way you can actually go and get bonus coins as well. And remember, this one, just by logging in on a daily basis, you can go and collect 10 coins per day by doing that. And once you go up the levels, whereby the more surveys and that you take, you'll go up the levels, and that you can make that all the way up to 100 coins per day if you wanted to. Okay, so that's the quickest way to go and earn rewards with Freeskins. Another thing that I really like about the Freeskins is obviously you've got this instant chat here. This is all the members chatting away, and that is really, really good. It's live, and you can also just do that straight from the word go, even as an immediate member there. So having an active community is always a good thing, which is something you don't normally see on these sort of sites. And also you've got an active support here as well. So if you click on the support button, as you can see here, send us a support message anytime, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. So you can just start by typing in your message here, and will get answered by the Freeskin bot initially, and then obviously a probably person will take over as well. So they're very, very quick to answer any queries as well. So another good thing to look out for with these websites. And if you know me by now, I always go across to my trusted website, which is Trustpilot. And as you can see here, Freeskins, although they're only a few years old, then as you can see here, they've had 1,920 reviews at a rate of 4.5, which is really good, guys. Another thing here is, you can see here, they've actually, business transparency, they claimed their Trustpilot profile back in 2020. And they've also put other things in place. So it says, ask their customers for reviews, whether positive or negative, pay to access extra Trustpilot features, and they typically reply to negative reviews in 2 days or less. Okay, and this is what I like about the Trustpilot when people actually work on there. There's a couple of reviews here. There's a few that are only sort of like a day old, not even a day old. But there's, if you scroll down, there's one here that's a day old, and as you can see, they've actually connected with this guy and told them to connect to the support, to contact the support, and they will obviously deal with his issue. They want to sort it out. So that is another good reason why I would fully recommend them, because they're totally transparent. They've got an active Twitter account. They've obviously got an active Trustpilot account as well. And also they've got a instant chat available inside their actual website. So guys, once you've obviously got some coins up here, you would then obviously want to cash them out or swap them for something. So if you head across to the shop area here, and this is where you can get paid out, and obviously you can withdraw cash. You've got PayPal, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, all those sort of things. You've also got you can withdraw with skins for games such as Fortnite and Rollerbox, League of Legends, those sort of things. You've also got gift cards, so you can do Stream, you can do Amazon, Visa, PlayStation, and it goes on and on. As you can see, guys, they've got a really good variation of ways that you can actually pull your money out. And like I say, with the PayPal, you have to have $5 worth on the PayPal, and for cryptocurrencies, you can pull out as little as 10 cents, guys. So that's how quick you would be able to then pull out some cash or some Bitcoin, etc., if you wanted to do it that way. And like I say, I'll do another video in a couple of weeks' time, so look out for that, which will show you how I've gone and then checked out their payout system and see how quickly they actually do it, because it says they do it within a matter of minutes. So we'll be doing it live and see how we get on. So make sure you check that video out too. Yeah, I must admit, guys, I found the website really easy to use. The sign-up process was easy, and some of the surveys were really simple, and they didn't take too long at all. They were literally just 2 or 3 minutes per survey, and I've got over nearly 1,400 points straight away. So definitely check out freeskins.com. Also, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell, and you'll get notified every time we make a new video. Don't forget to watch this video next. Okay, that's it for today. We will see you on the next video.